The last we're going to look at today is a Moodle file. Now, I don't do what I'm about to show you at all. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and close it. Go back here. We'll look at it in a second, but the easiest way to put a file on Moodle is to not use that and choose to do a file. The easiest way to put a file on Moodle is if we're in edit mode and our editing is on, I can open up Windows Explorer and I can drag anything right onto my page and it will just embed it there. So I'm going to go ahead and pick the NTEA contract because I happen to have been looking at it. I can drag it right here on the page. You see how the pop-up opens? And I let it go, and now that's there. I'm still going to go to those settings, and I'll show you why in a second, because here's the thing. It works very much like a link. When I drop a file, it gave it the exact same name of the file that I dropped there. You can see it's a PDF. If I click on it, I'm no longer in the Moodle site. And I can make the same kind of changes to this file that I did to the URL link. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to go to Edit Settings. And I can change the name up here if I want to after I've dropped the file, because it may not be the file name you want. Here's the file that's going to be opened. And I'm going to go to Appearance. And it has the same things that I could have done on the other one. That it goes embed, although it added force download, you can see, open or pop up. Again, I'm going to try embed first. I'm going to save and display and say, does it embed well? If I have a PDF file, is that the way that's easiest for my students to look at the file? Sure, they still have the option of hitting the download button here if they want to download it on their device, but that works out pretty well. If I want to go to settings, I could do the same thing. I could force it to be downloaded. For instance, my syllabus I post as a file and I force it to be downloaded. I want them to have it on their computer so they can refer to it whether they're online or not. And I have the option of open and then pop up. Again, I don't choose open. I always choose pop up or embed as my options there. And that's about it.